Good morning, students. Welcome to E-Class. This is your EVS class, and today we are going to start lesson number 4, Games and Activities. In this chapter, we will learn about indoor and outdoor game, rules of playing, and activities in school. Can you imagine how life would be if you just went to school, came back home, finished your homework, ate food, slept, and went to school again the next day? Yes, your life will make very dull and boring. Definitely, you feel very boring and dull. Yes, students, till मॉर्निंग टू एंड ऑफ द डे अगर हम सेम रूटीन को फॉलो करते हैं तो क्या होता है, हमारी लाइफ को हम बहुत ही डल फील करेंगे और बहुत ही हम बोर फील करेंगे. इन दैट कंडीशन व्हाट शुड वी डू? हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हमें कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए जिससे हम अपनी बॉडी और माइंड को रिफ्रेश कर सके और हमारी बॉडी को रिक्रिएट कर सके. एंड फॉर दिस, प्लेइंग विथ फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली मेम्बर इज़ अ बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल, राइट? Playing with friends or family member is a very important part of every child routine. It refreshes our body and mind, and playing is the best recreational activity. Student, now we will try to understand what is recreation. Activities that we enjoy doing are a part of recreation. इसमें वो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ इंक्लूड होती हैं जिनको करके हम इंजॉय करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, रीडिंग, वॉचिंग टेलीविजन एक्सेट्रा. इट हेल्प्स अस टू रिफ्रेश आवर सेल्फ, रिचार्जिंग अस फॉर आवर डे टू डे लाइफ, राइट? मतलब वो कोई भी एक्टिविटी, हमारा कोई भी टास्क जिसको हम करके अगर हमें इंजॉय फील होता है तो हम उसको रिक्रिएशन में काउंट करते हैं. दैट मीन्स हम ऐसे काम करके, जैसे ये ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ करके, जैसे सिंगिंग हो गया, डांसिंग, रीडिंग, ये सब करके हम थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेश हो जाते हैं, है ना, और रिक्रिएट हो जाते हैं. हम कुछ भी नया करने के लिए दोबारा हम रिचार्ज हो जाते हैं. तो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ ये रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटीज़ कहलाती हैं. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, we taught that playing is the best recreational activity, and games are a good way to spend time with family and friends. Games are two types: indoor games and outdoor games. So we will try to understand one by one. Types of game. Indoor games. Games can be broadly divided as indoor games and outdoor games. Games which we can play under covered area or indoor stadium are known as indoor games. Examples are indoor games: board games, badminton, swimming, boxing, billiards, and Chinese checker, and more. Types of game. Outdoor games. Outdoor games are those which we are played at open and specific playground. Some outdoor games are football, kabaddi, hockey, and running. Hockey is India's national game. Both indoor and outdoor games are a good way to exercise the body and mind. Indoor games help to sharpen the mind, and outdoor games gives us physical exercise. This helps our body to stay fit. Students, our next topic is rules of playing games with rules. Students, what is rule? Rules may be defined as statements and directions that must be followed within a given game in order for it to be played correctly. Students, we all know all games, whether indoor or outdoor, have their own set of rules. To enjoy a game, rules have to be obeyed. The spirit of the game is lost if the player cheat or do not follow rules. So thus it is necessary for each player to follow the rules and play the game fairly. Rules are very important for us. Why rules are important in games? Rules in a game avoid unnecessarily confusion. Rules avoid fight clashes between the players. Rules maintain the spirit of the game. Rules give fair chance to every group or individual. Rules develop the sportsmanship. Rule provoke competitive environment, develop competitive character and help to develop wonderful strategies for game. Students, a good player always remember the rules of the game and obeys them strictly. So what should we do? We should always remember that winning is not the only thing that is important. Playing a game fairly is the most important part of a game. Generally, to avoid clash, confusion and fight, referees are appointed in game. He is the one who have in-depth knowledge of a game and its rule and take unfair and impartial. The losing player or team should appreciate the winners. A winner should accept the praise humbly. He or she should not tease or taunt the opposite team. This is called sportsmanship and is a sign to good sportsmen. Always remember that the loser can be the winner next time. Right? So students, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. Next topics we will continue in our next video. So thank you and bye bye.